Hey friends, thanks for joining me. I want to talk about a mistake I commonly see in the shop with new woodworkers. The thing I see a lot is they think that a saw is a force tool. They think it's you power through something. It's not a force tool, it's a finesse tool. A finesse tool is something that you don't have to put a whole lot of force into. You just need to make move fast. So, like when we talk about like a force tool, this mallet is a force tool. I need to smack something hard. If I just tap on it lightly, it might not do anything. But if I really actually get a lot of force behind it, things are gonna move. Where a finesse tool is meant to go back and forth, and then you can make the cut. So the mistake I see a lot of students make, they'll push down hard on this. See how that flexes that blade? That's not what you want. What you want is to go back and forth at a really good pace, and then that's what does the cutting. See, I didn't go hard, I didn't push down hard on that. I just went back and forth at a good pace. So finesse tool, back saw is a finesse tool, dovetail saw, finesse tool. You want to go back and forth at a rapid pace, not push down hard on it. This hand saw, still a finesse tool. And even these big hand saws, they are meant to not be pushed down hard, but they're meant to go back and forth at a good pace. That's what actually does the cutting, not pushing down on here. So we have all these saws, and you'll do a lot better if you don't just push down, but you go back and forth, making sure you stay on your lines. Just a real quick tip, friends, for the many things that I see that happen in the shop that can be avoided. So use the tool appropriately. Make sure you work hard, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.